smile on your face makes it easy to trust you.
Hello guys, welcome back to KM. My name is Kaylee and today I'm going to be showing you how to do this makeup look. If you like this video, then just make sure you give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel. Hello guys, so I know I look a little crazy right now because I have no eyelashes or anything, but I just really wanted to do a video only using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics. I am also using the highlighter from this palette on my cheekbones, and let me tell you, I love this palette because it has like all the colors you need if you ever want to play around and be kind of adventurous. So yeah, let's get started. So first I'm taking this top pink shade and using a small blending brush, and I am just buffing and blending all over my lid. So as you can see here, these eyeshadows do have some fallout, so just make sure you tap the excess of your brush before you use it so your foundation doesn't get ruined. But oh my god, you guys, so I was trying out this new concealer. It's like a brand from Sally's called Collab, and oh my gosh, can you see the crease under my eyes? It's so bad, it's really so dirty. So I do not recommend this concealer because my eyes never crease that bad. So no, we're not doing that. These shades are very pigmented, but for the color to really pop, you want to do a few layers to build up the intensity.
Passing up on my always, I can't blame you.
So next, I'm going in with the black shade and I'm applying this all the way from my lash line and blending upwards. Once again, I'm applying a few layers of this shade. By the way, please ignore my left eye. I'm focusing on the right eye, and that's what I'm explaining. In the other one, I'm like catching up sometimes, and like I don't know what's going on. So, and then I am doing the same step just with a smaller brush to make the pigment even more pigmented. I forgot to turn on the light before, like I just realized it was off the whole time, so let's continue with better lighting now. I'm going back in with the pink and a little bit more of a dense eyeshadow brush and just blending everything. By the way, a lot of people ask me what I use on my brows, and I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pomade. So I'm going in with a little bit of the black shade again, and using this fluffy brush, I'm blending everything together. I am going with more product just to make it a little bit more like darker, because as you can see there are some spots where you can still see the pink coming through, so I want to build up that color and add as much black as possible, but don't add too much because then you can't take it off. So just add a little bit of black where it needs to be added, just like as you can see I'm doing right now. And yeah, just go in again and blend. Look to be super bright, and when you're blending the two colors together, you might notice that the intensity of the color is not there anymore because it just kind of blended with the black. So I'm going in again with this eyeshadow brush and tapping a little bit of the pink shade on the crease, and then going in again and blending the black out again. It's just blend and then build up the color again, and then blend a little, and then just get a little bit more color. To give it that super sharp cat eye shape, I'm going in with some concealer on my beauty blender and just shaping the eyeshadow out. And then I'm just placing a little bit of the dark shade on my lower lash line. To blend that color out, I'm going in with the pink shade and a little bit of a more fluffy brush. And it is time for my favorite part of my makeup, which is my highlight. And I'm just highlighting my inner corners. Then I'm spraying my face with some setting spray. You guys know I love to do this, and just applying more of the highlight on my cheekbones and at the bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow, and just everywhere. This is my favorite drugstore liquid lipstick. It's the L'Oreal Infallible lipstick in the shade Nudist, I don't know, I can't pronounce, but I love this lipstick, and it really stands for what the title is, which is infallible. This will last all night, guys. After that, I'm just using this NYX eyeliner on my waterline, and I am applying mascara on my top and bottom lashes.